while you apply. And when you coat it with the antique and white, making this truly a traditional Christmas display in your home. You'll want to lightly buff it with a soft cloth or paper towel such as I have, and you're going to allow it to dry. The wax will seal the wood and protect it for many years and keep it smooth piece. Grab a set of your lights. I know everyone has extra ones, and these are the LED. Now I'm going to demonstrate how I turned this three-dimensional star into a floating star, and you'll want to remove the wire just as I'm doing here with my needle nose pliers. Once you clip the shorter pieces as well as the glue sticks, you'll definitely want to incorporate, it takes very little of the hot glue. And I wrap the tree with the, so here we have it lit up and showing it off.